Let us practice an easy Surya Namaskar with block support. Stand comfortably, join your feet and place the blocks beside your feet, leaving a little space so they do not touch the feet. Now, let us begin. Pranamasana. Inhale, Hastotthanasan. Exhale, Padahastasana. Inhale, Ashwasanjalanasan. Exhale, Dandasana. From here, beginners can move into Shashankasana to make the transition to Ashtanga Namaskar easy. Exhale and lower into Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankasana again. In this beginner-friendly variation, we replace Parvatasana with Shashankasana, making the flow easy and comfortable. It will also help those who are uncomfortable looking down in Parvatasana. Inhale, Ashwasanchalanasana. Exhale, Padahastasana. Inhale, Hastotthana. Exhale, Pranamasana. Practice at your own pace and enjoy.